always, guys, respect the pump. I respect the pump in all assets. Why? Because it's kind of like karma. You know, the power of the pump always comes back to you if you respect the pump of other people. It's crazy, but I have this belief.
GM, welcome back to the channel. Market update here for you, kicking off Monday. So things started off with a bit of a dump this morning. Sunday's kind of lackluster performance across the market picked up into Monday, and then as the US markets opened, it seems to have reversed somewhat. So down to a low of about 94,800 on Bitcoin, and now it's back up to 96.5. Here is the monthly analysis from Crown for December. So essentially looking at the green highlighted areas here, you have the 3 previous halving years and of course subsequently the election years as well. And Bitcoin has typically drawn down in those 3 years about 1%, 0%, and 10%. So the average is around 3.9 to 6.5, with overall somewhere around 10% if you look at all of the years in there. So essentially 4%, 6%. Let's just pull these up on the chart here. So Bitcoin opened up here at 97.2s. 10% pullback takes us down into this area here, which is an area of support that we could well revisit. I think this is what Crown is saying. Worst case scenario, somewhere around 87, 88K. Then we're looking at around somewhere in the region of 6% pullback, 91,000, maybe holding on to the lows posted Tuesday the 26th of November. And then if we just get a shallow pullback, somewhere in the region of 4% here, you're looking at a pullback to around 93, 93.5, somewhere around there. We've already pulled back 94.6. So essentially the analysis is December, the pullbacks occur early, the low of the month typically comes in early, and then we get a move higher. So if we do play out that kind of formation, maybe we'll crack 100K in the coming week or so. But I think the early part of this week, maybe up to like Thursday, Friday, definitely could be a bit of danger zone. Now we have this XRP is up 441% in the last 30 days, 157 bill market cap. XRP has flipped Solana there, so it has a greater market cap than Sol. XRP, obviously Ripple, if anyone is new around here, Ripple essentially wants to replace the SWIFT banking system. So these are the top performers subsequent to Trump and the election win: Stellar, Algorand, Hedera, XRP, and Cardano. So, I mean, we've been outperformed by new entrants to the market, I would suggest, as I'm sure many of us are not in these tokens. But as Alo had posted, start to raise your targets, because look, if XRP's gone from somewhere around a 40 billion market cap to 160 billion market cap in the space of a month, we are in for a crazy, crazy cycle. I think that was sentiment echoed by Elio Trades as well, saying, look, people are moving these coins in a major way here. So retail's coming back. People are interested in punting crypto yet again. And so it's time to actually raise the targets. This is actually bullish, even though short term, low time frame, you're seeing your coins probably get sold into things like Ripple and stuff. But essentially, just remove valuation ceilings from your brain. Things can go a lot higher. We're starting to see real FOMO. This is hilarious. Listen to this for an XRP to $3,000.
Is XRP going to go to $3,000? That's not the question. The question is, what happens if 300,000 people put a market order in for XRP all at the same time?
Number go up.
What happens if, I don't know, 3 million Chinese people, when they get access to XRP, when it's at $3, what happens if they put a market order in? XRP is like money. That makes it a commodity, like gold, like silver, like soybeans. It's supply and demand.
So essentially 3 billion Chinese people are going to buy XRP, potentially pushing it to $3,000 per token, currently priced at $2.60. That is pretty funny stuff, but in all seriousness, that's the kind of people you want in your bags. That is the kind of bull posting we want to see. We've been in the market too long now, so we are kind of weathered by the bear market, weathered by realistic price targets. It's time to actually have unrealistic price targets and let the new entrants to the markets just say ridiculous shit, because that is how you get mass exit liquidity. Now, this was a cool take, Nagato. Some people went all in utility coins, and meanwhile they watched the memes outperform. They watched, they waited, and the pain became unbearable, and they sold the utility coins and moved into memes Just as the meme niche entered its chill season, utility coins started to moon. Now the cycle is starting again. They'll watch their former utility coins soar for a few weeks whilst holding underperforming memes. Guess what happens next? Exactly. Rotation back from utility into memes. So I think this is a jab at Taiki. More on him in just a moment. But AI memes, these are down bad today. Honestly, if I wasn't fully allocated to these already, I would be buying like a crazy person. Meme mindshare here, we have AI XBT out of all the sentient memes or AI agents coming in as number one. And so you're going to see that this has been repricing really well. Cerebro's come down quite a bit and Luna is a lot lower in market cap. I think potentially the mindshare is going to equate to the market caps of these, which is pretty interesting stuff. Here is AI XBT currently at 20 cents, dipped down, double bottom at 15, and now moving up nicely, 20 cents. Okay, so let's jump into this. So someone posted, Wintermute just bought $510,000 worth of AI XBT. This is their second agent buy. They're really into the virtuals ecosystem, posts the wallets here, adding 290k and 220k's worth into clips, and also states this wallet was funded by Wintermute and it has actively participated in signing the Wintermute multi-sig. So it's one of their personal wallets here. So they are accumulating AI XBT. So in a sea of red, it's one of the few that's actually held up reasonably well. On the meme front, we have MOODENG on the roadmap for a Coinbase listing. So this will be listed on Coinbase soon. Super interesting to see that Coinbase is, I would say, listing decent sized meme coins, whereas Binance has pretty much done cartel plays. Like literally they've just bought up supply, cornered supply of really shit memes and then listed them on the exchange, which is kind of crime-based in my opinion, but this is a good move from Coinbase. This is a huge meme in Thailand currently across Asia, but this opens the door for lots of the kind of static memes, the good ones, to be listed on Coinbase now. So we're going to see the movement. Meme coins are going to start to get listed on Coinbase, and then we're going to get the AI meme coins a bit later. Here is the MOODENG chart. As you can see, it was down to 30 cents this morning, now trading at around 55 cents plus. On screen, we have Fartcoin. So this is massively oversold, and you can see from this like stair stepping down, it looks like someone's just exited huge positions here. It kind of looks like a TWAP order, a DCA out has been ongoing, and the top was marked by Taiki here, who is the official Grim Reaper of coins. He bought GOAT, topped that thing, and now he's flipped his ETH for Fartcoin. As per Nagato's threads, Utility Bro has flipped into meme purchaser, and that's created the top, or has just marked a perfect timing sentiment-wise for getting out of utility into memes and got absolutely hosed for it. So as you can see from the chart here, it was literally at 39 cents when he flipped his ETH into Fartcoin, and now down over 60% on that position, pretty much 60% at the low, currently at around a 55% discount. And now hopefully going to bottom here for Fartcoin and get back within the range somewhere above like 21s would be more comfortable. We're looking at Cerebro next, 29 cents. This is again going to be a good value buy in my humble opinion. These things may take a few days to reset here. You've got GOAT at 71 cents. Again, if I wasn't fully positioned in these already, I would be buying these like a madman, because you're going to see the flow of money from the huge caps moving. Ripple adding $100 billion worth of market cap. Bitcoin looks like it wants to send, and then we're going to see the trickle-down effect. This is the most exciting industry in my opinion, and these should reprice higher. Obviously, people have paper for hands and cannot hold on to stuff, as denoted by everything we've seen over the last few years here with all the meme coins and now the AI meme coins. People love to cheat. We'll leave things off there. 96.2k for Bitcoin. We'll see what tomorrow brings. See you in the next one. Peace.